old, and this is Aadya. She's 4. She's almost gonna turn 5, and she's gonna be the partner of my experiment. And so basically, what we're gonna do today is that we're gonna put this ball there, and we're gonna see what happens. So let's try it.
With the one ball.
One ball from this side goes. Now let's try 2. 2 balls from this side go. Now let's try 3.
No, leave me.
3 balls from this side go. Now let's try 4. 4 balls from this side go. So as you can see, you're putting balls the same number. If I put 3 balls there, 3 balls are going to go from this side. And you want to know why this happens, please watch our next video.